Now is the perfect time to take the next step in your personal and career development. Whether you're an established media professional or a beginner just finding your feet, perhaps you're not even in the media field but wish to acquire the 21st century communication skills and certificates that will stand you out.
My name is Engineer Chris Ugu. I will be taking you on broadcast engineering. It is an electronic media, and electronics is engineering. So if we do it well, the industry will grow, and it will be good for all of us. And we must have been trained in one way or the other, but we can combine together and get the best of the knowledge that we have and apply it to ensure our safety, to ensure progress, to ensure safety of the people and safety of our equipment and safety of all that we are doing in that environment, and also ensure that we send our signal as far as our can take us to.
The West Africa Broadcast and Media Academy provides these and more, including placement in media organizations for practical, on-the-job knowledge. Get certifications from WABMA in public speaking and elocution, program production, presentation, audio and video editing, journalism, broadcast engineering.
Scientists agree that the world is filled with a substance called ether. And when it is ruffled, it can become an instrument to send signal to a distant place, even all over the world. In this place, we will be doing a lot to help broadcasting to grow. We will see the challenges we have, because when we finish doing broadcasting electronics, then we will now go into the core and see the challenges that we see as operating operators in the field. It will help us to understand and apply our knowledge effectively to make sure that we don't get into trouble as we run the broadcast institutions. With proper knowledge, we can make sure that there's no effect on us as operators. And we also save those who are working with you in industry. That is why I say welcome, because all of us being practitioners in the field, we will make it work, we will make it worthwhile.
Start today, become an expert. Join thousands of others from around the world and let successful veterans train you. WABMA courses are available in campus and online or at your location, so you get to choose how you want to learn. Log on to westafricabroadcastacademy.com or wabma.org. Call 0902 547 8072 or 0803 311 8199. Reach us on social media at WABMA Online. Separate yourself from the pack. Let WABMA help you to communicate powerfully.